Oh, hi there, and welcome to the demonstration of ApprovalPlus. This little item focused on entering an invoice as an accounts payable user. So from your landing page in ApprovalPlus, all you do is simply click New Invoice on the right hand side, and we're going to go through the process of adding the invoice image and doing the data entry as the accounts payable person. So first step for you normally is to upload the invoice image. It will remember the last file location you sourced one from. You attach your image. It'll store it in ApprovalPlus at that stage, and then you're doing your data entry. So all of the red fields are compulsory for data entry. So in this case, obviously, we need to enter who the supplier is. If we start typing in here, it'll type ahead for us and find our supplier that we need to use. You'd normally enter in your valid invoice date. This one's quite an old one. The invoice number you're going to place in, and the invoice total amount. Okay, in this case we're using New Zealand GST, but for VAT or any other value-added type taxes, as you tab through, it'll deduct the tax for you based on the setup of your supplier. If you're doing a purchase order match, you'd put the purchase order number in here and then move on to doing the purchase ordering matching. On this case, we're just going to enter a standard invoice. Optionally, you can enter in a narration. So this might be, for example, finance stationery, and the idea really is to give it a differentiation from another invoice from the same supplier. Finally, for the accounts payable person, you do need to choose someone who's going to do the preparing or the coding of this invoice. So I'll choose my own login here and create the invoice. ApprovalPlus does a few defaults at that stage, so it looks at the payment terms and currencies and things like that and make sure that's all entered against the invoice for you. So as AP, do a quick review before you hit send, and that's your task done. So hit send to prepare it, it'll send that invoice off for the next step. And that's the entry of an accounts payable invoice. At that stage, normally you would go new invoice and do your next data entry item. Thank you for your time.